Wait, that mushroom you see is not a plant. That mushroom you see is actually part of the fungal kingdom. Unlike plants, mushrooms cannot make their own food using sunlight because they don't contain chlorophyll. And here's the fascinating part. The mushroom we see above the ground is only a small part of the fungus. Hidden beneath the soil is a network called mycelium, which absorbs nutrients from its surroundings. So what looks like a tiny mushroom is actually connected to a much larger hidden world.